Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix your File Explorer not working. With the File Explorer not working, most of the times you have challenges when opening it, or if you open it while you are working on it, then just within some few minutes it goes off or it keeps crashing anytime you open it. Don't worry, I got you on this video. I'm going to be showing you 5 methods on how to solve this issue. So if one doesn't work for you but the other will work for you. So without further delay, let's get started. Now, the first method for us to try is just to restart our File Explorer. And to restart the File Explorer, it's very easy. Now, what you just need to do is just right-click on the taskbar, and then we have our Task Manager. Once your Text Manager opens, now scroll down and look for File Explorer. So just look within to get your File Explorer. Once you get it, you right-click on it. So this is my File Explorer here. So what you have to do is that just right-click on it and then restart. So we have restarted our File Explorer, and once it restarts, you can see that the screen flashes. Now that it has restarted, you can try your File Explorer. If it works, that means your problem is being solved. But still, if your File Explorer is still not working, now let's move to method 2. Method 2 is that we are going to adjust the File Explorer. And to adjust the File Explorer, so let's close this Task Manager. On your search bar, search for Control Panel. Right, so we have Control Panel here. Click on it to open. Now, once Control Panel opened, we just have to change this view. So click to change view and change the view to large icons to have an easy access to the File Explorer option. So click on large icons. Right, so this is the File Explorer option. So click on it to open. Just as I said, we are going to be adjusting it. You see this option here, Open File Explorer 2. So drop this and then select this PC. Once you select this PC, so apply and then OK. Right. So if you try this now, you can just close this and then try accessing your File Explorer again. If still it is still not working, the next method for us to do is to clear the cache and restore to its default. Now once again, click on your search and search for Control Panel once again. Right, so we have the Control Panel here. Just as our Control Panel is opening this way, as I earlier on said, if your Control Panel is not viewed this way, so you just have to go to View By and then select Large Icons. So once again, we come to the File Explorer option. Now, this time around, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be having this. So this is here, Privacy. So what you are going to, we are clearing the cache. So this is Clear File Explorer History. What you just need to, you just have to clear, click on Clear. And automatically it's going to be cleared. And now click on the Restore to Default. So click on Restore to Default. Once you click on Restore to Default, you now apply and then OK. After this, just try with your File Explorer again. If it works, then your problem is solved. If still it doesn't, now we move to method 4. And method 4, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be checking our PC if it is updated to the latest version of Microsoft Windows. To check if our PC is up to date, click on the Start and go onto your settings. Now, if your settings is open, go to Windows Update on your left side here. Click on Windows Update. Now, just as you can see, mine is updated to the latest version. So if your PC is not up to date, you just check for updates. Once you check for the update, and it's going to install all latest updates which are released by Microsoft. So after that, you now just have to restart the PC and come back and check on your File Explorer again. But if still this doesn't work, our fifth method is going to be, we are going to check our system by using our command prompt. Now, to check the system, just once again go to your search and search for CMD. So we have our CMD here. So right click on this command prompt and run as administrator. So click on yes to open it. So once our command prompt opened, you have to put a command which is SFC. Then we have space, we have / and then scan. Now, so once you just input this command, so you press enter. What this command is going to do is that it's going to scan the whole of your PC, search for viruses, or if there are any glitches within the Windows or problems with regards to malicious software or viruses which are infected onto your PC. It's going to scan all this. And once it's scanned, it's going to clear the glitches or viruses across the Windows. And it's going to take time. You just have to wait for it to complete by its own. So, and once it completes, what you just need to do is that you just have to restart the PC, and one of this method will solve your issue of File Explorer not working. So that is just how easy and simple it is to fix your File Explorer not working. Guys, if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like, and if you have any challenges or regards to this video, leave it in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one.